Welcome to the iconic urban jungle of NYC. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Big Apple, exploring the fantastic Broward student accommodation. Nestled in the vibrant and eclectic Crown Heights neighborhood, Broward is not just accommodation, it's your ultimate home away from home. Offering 5- and 6-bedroom apartments, each featuring fully furnished, well-lit bedrooms with comfortable beds, well-maintained shared bathrooms, and plenty of cozy spaces to kick back and relax. Need a break from the books? Unwind in the gorgeous living room and follow easy tutorials to make dinner in the shared kitchen equipped with a stove, oven, fridge, and other appliances. And that's not all. Enjoy the luxury of regular cleaning services and breeze through laundry with convenient on-site facilities. With all utility bills and Wi-Fi included, say goodbye to those extra expenses. Located between two beautiful parks, Common Broward is a short walk away from some of Crown Heights' coolest bars and delicious cuisine. Whether you're sipping a tiki drink at King Thai or treating yourself to West Indian comfort food at Cass West Indian, an American restaurant, this neighborhood has it all. And when the exploration bug hits, you're just a short stroll away from some of the city's most connected subway lines. Additionally, you're just a quick drive away from prestigious institutes like Brooklyn Law School, New York University, and Brooklyn College. Ready for a touch of the main character syndrome? Dive into the details of this fabulous property at amberstudent.com and seize the city, the day, and the place.